How to activate your credit card via digibank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then activate your credit card via the digibank online. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now the very first step is to simply go ahead and then go to the website of DBS online, which I will leave a direct link down in the description box, so just go ahead and check that out. After you do that, enter your online banking credentials such as a user ID and your PIN, and all you have to do is tap on the login button. If you don't have online banking, then you can also activate it by tapping on the get started button over here. And after you log in, you will see this kind of interface on the next page. Now another thing that you need to do, you need to authenticate this transaction with your digital token on your mobile device. So in order to use digital online, make sure you have your mobile device and you have your mobile banking with you as well. Aside from online banking, tap on the authenticate now button and authenticate the request first of all. Once you've done that, you will see this kind of interface. Now at the very top of the menu bar, you need to hover your mouse over the card section, and under the card section you enable all these mega menu and pop-up menu options. You just need to tap on the option that says activate credit card, so just go ahead and click on that. Once you click on activate credit card, again you will see this kind of interface where you have to fill in all of the details such as your personal particulars, which means your bank account's name, as well as the type of card you would like to activate. So you can see my credit card. You can select the type of credit card that you would like to activate. Keep in mind that this could also vary from account to account, and again you need to go ahead and then authorize the transaction at the very bottom, and all you have to do is tap on the next button, which is at the very bottom of the screen. As soon as you tap on the next button on the final page over here, you have to simply tap on the submit button, which is at the very bottom of the screen. Once you submit a request to the bank, your bank is going to review a request and they're going to let you know whether or not that you're eligible for your credit card. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then activate credit card via digibank online. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.